So yun guys, hello everyone. So welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will teach you about the relative dates. If you can see meron na tayo itong nakasulat. So first is the variation with respect to time. Then ang example natin for this topic is if the radius of the circle increases at the rate of 0.01 inch per second. Find the rate of change of the area when the radius is 3 inches long. If you can see no, circle, ang hinahanap dito is yung rate of radius. Okay. So, first natin is hanapin natin yung mga given. Which is yung ating first is rate of radius. Which is itong dr over dt. Lagi na tandaan yung radius with rate ay palagi siyang respect to time. Okay. So, ang value nito is 0.01 inch per seconds. So, next naman is yung ating radius. So, which is yung r. Yung value ng r is itong 3 inches. Inch na lang. Yan. Then, after that, no, hanapin natin kung ano ba yung kailangan natin hanapin dito. Yung required, no? Which is, ito, ang required natin dito is yung derivative of area respect to time. Ito yung ating hanap. So, dahil ito yung hinahanap natin, so, proceed tayo. Ang ating gagamitin formula is, formula siya ng area. Ano ba yung formula ng area? Which is, ito, no? Pi r raised to 2. So, which is, yan. So, ating itong i-derive, no? d over dt. The derivative nito is 2 pi r, which is ito lang. Then, need natin itong ilagay itong derivative radius respect to time, which is r over dt. So, which is ito na ating formula for this problem. So, now, substitute na natin sa formula to lahat ng ating mga given na to. So, which is capital 2, then 5, then, at yung R natin is 3 inch. Then yung ating derivative radius with respect to time, which is, yan ay 0.01 inch per second. Which is, ito na yung ating given, no? Nandito na sinabsis natin sa formula. So, kung meron kang calculator, mas okay siya kung i-calculator natin. So, this is the answer. So, kung ating mano-mano, 2 pi times 3 inches times 0.01 inch per second, which is, yung sagot niya is 0.06, then 5. So, paglagay natin ng mga ganito, ay kailangan maingat tayo kasi pwedeng magkaroon ka ng minus dyan. So, okay. Inch is 2. Okay. Seconds. Okay. Then, ang answer ko naman is 0.19 inch per second. Which is ito na ating final answer for this problem na ito. Okay, thank you for watching. So, for today's